Keep scanning.
No change.
It's massive. The primary systems are dormant. Focus on isolating the power source and the eye filaments.
Copy that, boss.
Setting up diagnostics. The rust is heavy here.
Note the stress fractures on the weld joints.
Yeah?
And the scale corrosion is extensive. We need to reinforce the horns.
The jaw appears intact, but the teeth are heavily corroded.
Check the horn mounts for structural integrity. Noted.
Focus on the right eye assembly first, then the jaw mechanics.
All clear. Keep it steady. Copy that. Keep it steady. Check the rear chassis pressure.
Copy that. All clear back here.
Watch the garage entrance. Looks tight.
Analyze the structural integrity of the chassis immediately.
Copy that. Proceeding with full inspection.
The supports are secure.
Structural integrity is compromised here.
Begin the detailed assessment of the hull.
Keep the pressure consistent on those facial plates.
Copy.
Cleaning the teeth housings now.
Chassis looks much better, boss.
Good. Let's finish up the lower arch.
Keep focusing on the horn bases.
Copy that.
Almost clear on the plating here.
Keep cleaning the crossbar. The sensor shows deep corrosion.
On it, boss. Focusing on the joint now. The extent of the corrosion is significant across the facial structure and the horns. Yes, the hull integrity on the cargo box looks compromised.
The corroded wiring needs immediate attention.
I agree, and this hose is completely shot.
Replace the damaged connection first, then address the wiring. Let's get this beast running.
Carefully disconnect those harnesses. Label them clearly.
Understood, boss.
We need this organized before the new parts arrive. Keep it steady. Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Copy that. Watching starboard. Lifting slowly. Good. Take it higher. We're clear. Set it down slowly. Mind the clearance near the horns. Watch the right side. Just a few inches left. Secure it now. Check the mounts. All right. Hold it steady. Ease it down. Easy now. Clear. Clear. Clamping systems engaged. Secure the main housings. Check the... Proceed with caution on the intake manifold. It's coming loose. Almost there. Good. Carefully set it aside for cleaning. That bracket there is too corroded. Mark it for replacement.
Roger that.
We need to find the correct hose connection for this section of the intake manifold. The corrosion here is extensive. We need to replace this connection.
All right, I'll prep the replacement.
And secure the cab interface. Let's get to work. All right, let's see what this beast is hiding. Keep going, it's starting to shine. Lower it slowly, steady, and precise.
Copy that.
Perfect. Set it down. The chemical treatment is now fully active. Engaging the lift mechanism. Look at that shine, the corrosion.
Keep the pressure steady, B.
Got it.
Almost done with this section. Moving to the brackets.
Exceptional. She's fully restored and ready for activation. Deep corrosion here. Mark it for immediate repair. Done. This section needs reinforcement too.
Proceed with the extraction. Ensure precision at the attachment points.
Affirmative, Commander. Engaging cutting sequence.
Good. Analyze structural integrity.
Reading green.
Keep it steady. This joint needs to hold the load.
Looks strong. I'm moving on to the next section.
Keep it steady. This joint needs the full treatment. All right, chemicals are applied. Start with the heat.
All right, hold it steady.
Got it.
Now the U-bolts. Hand me the wrench.
Here.
Tighten in the last one. Keep the pressure steady, B. We need to reach that axle. Understood. It's really packed on here. Watch the overspray, eh?
All right, these hubs are looking pristine now. About time, they needed it.
All right, team, let's get those bearings lubricated and sealed. Working on it, boss. Looking good. Almost finished with the coating.
Keep it steady. Don't touch the support.
Copy that. Shield is ready.
Just a little more.
Section cleared. Checking the beams.
The measurements here are 13.5 and 6.
Confirmed. We'll need a 20-gauge stainless cut to that spec.
Great, let's mark it out now. Keep it steady. Looks like a perfect fit. Let's get it secured. Ready with the rivets. I'm tightening this joint on the jaw now. Keep it steady. Looking good.
Got it. Just a little more pressure here.
Set the pressure to 3.5.
Right.
Roger that, pressure set. Applying force now. Looking good. Let's start the weld.
All right, focus on the third tooth from the left. It's too damaged to repair.
Understood. Preparing for extraction.
All right, time for the new bracket.
Systems check. Power surge confirmed.
Looking good, let's roll. The bull's face is perfect. The eyes are finally repaired.
Keep it steady. This door is heavy.
Got it. Watch the wiring.
Vacuum up the fine dust first.
I'll start with the dashboard, then move to the driver's seat.
Make sure to get those tight corners.
No dust left behind, sir. Keep scrubbing, we need this clean. Don't miss that corner, the rust is thick there. Almost done with the wire brushes. Switch to the inhibitor, let's coat it well. The primary modules are fried.
And these wiring harnesses?
They're brittle. We need a full replacement.
Looks good. See if we can get these seals in now.
Perfect, that glass is sparkling.
Let's secure this frame.
All right, let's see what this beast can do. All systems check. All right, fit the rib into the weakened section here. Precision now. Perfect, begin the weld. The rust treatment is applied. Excellent. Let's scan the welds.
Keep it slow and steady. We need to get this panel perfectly smooth.
Looking good. Make sure you hit that repaired section hard.
Keep the sander moving slowly.
This wheel's almost done.
Starting the protective coating now.
Scan complete. Cross-reference results with the manifest. Status update requested. Parameters are within tolerance. Initiating final sequence. Keep it even on the joints. Focus on the repaired struts. Apply thoroughly on the teeth mechanism.
Ensure the paint is even around the ocular sensors.
Checked and applied, ma'am. Working on the muzzle texture now, almost done.
The bull is looking fierce.
All 20 wheels are done.
Ready for the road.
Perfect, let's fire this beast up.
Check the diagnostics, everything's in the green.
Let's roll. All right, looking good. Looks perfect, exactly as planned. Just the last bit here.
Yeah.
Amazing work.
The paint quality is exceptional. Confirmed. Final checks are all clear, leader.
It's locked in.
All right, fire it up.
Secure the straps, check the clearance.
Straps are set, boss.
Move it slowly, maintain the gap.
All right, a fraction of an inch more.
Easy, easy, hold it.
Perfect, it's in.
Looks flawless. Great work, team.
Keep it steady, looking good. Lowering the primary mounts now. Hand me that torque wrench. Right here.
The hydraulic system is secured and tested. Initiating electrical systems now. Check primary engine control. All systems indicate online.
Ensure the pressure holds at 7,000 psi. We need a perfect seal. Copy that. All systems checked. Engage startup sequence. Copy that. Initiating.
Looks good. It's solid now.
Panels are secure.
Status green on all systems. Ready to roll.
The alignment looks perfect. Proceed with finalization.
Copy that, boss.
Wheel 5,
Torque looks good.
confirmation copy, moving to 7.
All clear on the rear axles.
Checks complete on all 20. Well done, team.
The cargo doors open smoothly. This latch is holding strong. All systems go.
Finster. The paintwork looks solid, no flaws visible on the horns. Scanner shows optimal torque on all wheels.
Powering up.
Diagnostics confirm system operational.
Status green. Voltage check. Solid. Pressure's holding steady. Systems conformed online. Operational. Bring it out. Yes, boss. Status check. Pressure holding. Temperature stable. No leaks found. All systems go.
Main panel lights active.
Cargo structure lights confirmed.
Electrical systems at 100% functionality.
Horn. Keep working on the horns. They need to be perfect. Use a finer grit on the metallic teeth.
Just a few more passes to get this perfect. Ready to roll out. Keep it steady. Slow and controlled, we're almost there. Perfect, stop the vehicle.